James Fuentez. MacGyver, McCartney, MacArthur, Macbeth, Yak, Canute rolled into one. He breaks the mold and molds a masterpiece, scores a prop, writes a score, throws a punch, punches a prompt, burns, builds, erects, ejects. Hand Fuentez a lump of clay, he hands back a prototype. Throw him a match, he sets the world on fire, then extinguishes before the smoke clears. On the set, he's everyman, stuntman, superman, leading man, handyman. When others hear, on your mark, get set, Fuentez is already finished, under budget. Fuentez saves you time and money. He saves his best for first. He was built to last. Need it done? Fuentez been there, spun that, spun out, spurned the impossible, outdone the improbable, improvised the insurmountable, accounted for the unaccountable. Renaissance man, master craftsman. What I say next is no double negative, but double positive. In his mind's eye, nothing he can't see. See for yourself. When can Fuentez see you?
Sponge. You can do it with a sponge.
Just dab it on, it just says